I found that online easy to understand and to go through. For online itself, it worked with my family, so being able to be around them with my limited hours already, with being on night shifts. And then it also worked that I could do it while I was at work. The workload wasn't too severe, so I was able to get everything done on my night shifts with having like 6 hours available. I'm a youth care leader now. I just took the role on 4 months ago. So I went from night float youth care worker to youth care leader. So now I supervise the staff and any questions the youth have where they want to go do something out in the community, they have to go through myself. With my diploma, I am able to go as caseworker. So in the group home setting, that would be the worker that does the appointments and all the reports that go to the Ministry of Social Services for Saskatchewan, and then all the medication and stuff like that.